Skulile Manzini is in the building. This is a Rise and Rock breakfast. Kama ngusibom tungeno Zulu boy. It's now between 6 to 9 every Monday to Friday. Right on Inanda 88.4 FM, today's best radio. So, because of time, so kijimasingeneke kuskulile sikhuluma right now. Unesithathu lwamaciko naye ke uyiciko. Mfowethu sikubingelele Manzini. Good morning.
Ngibingelele kakhulu futhi.
Talk to umlaleli Inanda 88.4 FM niyezelele uthuba uthi umbingelele and then usitshele about usikhulile Manzini ukuthi ubani uqhamuka kuphi and the work that you do.
Igama lami ngusikhulile Manzini, ngisuka endaweni naseMangoze kwaMhlabelingana. Ngi-founder yenkampani Leather Lab Co. So senza ama products we leather, personalized leather products. We make like manufacture ama products we leather from the scratch. Ungaba ikhwama, wallets,
wash.
Yes, I just want to mention that.
Usebenza nobani? Ubani usebenzisana nabo kwicompany yakho The Leather Co?
Ngine team yam enghandlishana production njengamanje ngino sis la studio noMpumelelo Zungu of which umo kwi-admin staff na then ke kubantu angisensana nawo bese wakhona into engisensana nayo kakhulu kuthiwa uTP Msomi from Prizani Media. Yeah,
shout out to UTP. UTP does our book review every Tuesday right here on 88.4 FM. Shout out to the guy. Ngishela ukuthi UTP wenza yonke into. Umchite le wenza noma abe yini. But get now so ibe ngakanani ke I reception ne support oyitholile mawuqala business lakho kwi community, your friends and family?
It's I think we more specifically kwi family nakubantu engiclose nabo isupport benkulu kakhulu ngoba kwi business lami le more online. We sell online, we don't have like a walk-in store, so kunzima ukuthi abantu basithembe bengazi bebone something from us. So I think labantu aba around thina abaphatha ama products who buys products from us, then abanye abantu bebone kubona iyona enza ukuthi abantu begain trust, like you know bethemba umsebenzi wethu even bengasazi thina.
But in order for your bag to get to izingale Chanel when ubona ukuthi kushodana,
we need funding. We need
yona into esifanele siyikhuluma ngithi ulalela umlaleli weRise and Rock nali ke thuba ke bafowethu udinga ifunding mfowethu, udinga uxhaso, udinga ama investors, udinga ama partners mfowethu. Yebo qhubeka mntaka.
Yeah, we need fundings because we for now to run a production yethu we have to rent out imshini kubantu abanemshini. We don't own everything, you know, so that's the thing that we need for now kakhulu. Yona into challenge, yona yenza ama delay ukuthi sima if we produce something, you know.
Okay, in Leather Lab Co.
Leather Lab Co, yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Mtaka baba, how important is it, yabo? Style is kwama kumina because for me mengibona bag, it's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Handbag yomuntu wesifazane is a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Uwallet ophathayo is a lifestyle.
Yes.
Sekufike ke manje ke i-man bag le yo yalamajita athaka ina gqoka ikipa ezino inezipoko Philippine le man bag le. Le man bag yabo. Mase kuba nalesi sigaxo yenkabi ke sesifaka la ngaphezulu yabona. So a bag is a lifestyle. There's amajita angasiphathi nje isikhwama. Sitshele bethu sichazela ukuthi kubaleke kangakanani ukuphatha isikhwama and what type of accessories does one use isikhwama for?
Okay. I think it's more unique because in a personal attachment, you know, when you buy wallet or a bag, even you
personalize
this. Even if you want to have your picture, so on it you do print your picture, you know. So ilentele ezenza ukuthi mawuhamba ube confident ukuthi mina am unique ngiphatha into mina. So yeah, I think that is.
And are you guys open up to pop-up shops? And pop-up stores, like for example kakhulu ngomhla ka 24 September khona la ngaseMephini uGehla une market. There's a market. He's selling tables for I think about 250 rand where people can come and exhibit their stuff and their work.
Yes, we are open. Actually, we are looking for the opportunities afana nalawo, you know. I think that is the way esingakwazi ukuthi to be exposed, you know. So yeah.
Okay, I think mfowethu abantu abadinga ukubona umsebenzi wakho babona kanjani endwena abantu abadinga ukuxhumana nawe bakuthola kanjani?
You can just follow us in all our social media platforms. Just search the Leather Lab Co. or at the letter Lepco. It's either Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, on Facebook, and even just to inquire, you can just send us WhatsApp.
Zimalini koma zakho mfethu.
Okay, our card orders start from the ranges from 150 to 300, and then
Card holders.
card holders, yeah. So then wallet, the range is like from 250 to 600. Then bags start from 600, you know. Depending, yeah.
I think I've seen the work, dope stuff. I don't know.
Wena usubonile umsebenzi.
Yeah, go boy.
Mina ngifuna ukubona kakhehla mfethu.
Yeah.
Yini khona ukuphethe? Ngiyabona ukubheka emuva.
Yeah, I got something for you guys. There's a bag here for Sbo.
Oh, nice. Shout out to Dunga.
It's
sorry,
branded.
there's a card holder, a small card holder in there for
Inside. I
the
think,
boy.
Yeah, ngabona phela
Mina ngithola icard holder encane uSbo Mdungu uthola isikhwama esubhaza
We
phasi.
still
Letha
make-
lana into
we
zami.
still make-
Suka buyisa vele imali
Yima
iphathwe
phela.
letha nemkhiwa waseAfrika. Hayi Mdungu.
Oh, it's
Letha
written
lana.
Zulu. Let me see.
Siyabo. Oh man, this is nice.
Wait.
This is nice. Suka emaphoseni boy.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
Ngifaka manje into zami.
Sokwazi umlaleli kumshuthela abone. It's a beautiful stuff. I've been at okay. Now ngiphume emabhozeni.
Ngisuka kuyilalela ngisuka ku-wallet wami omdala. Ngizongena ku-wallet wami omusha, my new card holder.
And it's cool, guys.
Emake mfana ngikhiphe nayi black card mfana. Ingene mfana. Ingene hawu suka nini madoda.
Msungichophela Zulu boys.
Nayi black card sifake lana mfana.
No.
Ihlale.
Okay, I think we have to bounce first. As Valerie Skumlalil, as Kulile, thank you so much for coming through. And as Koma Sithi kakhulu sibhalwe noSbo Mdungu. Oh man, I'm loving it.
Siyabonga mfethu.
I love bags. I love bags, by the way.
So do you guys are online store? Where did I find you online?
Yeah, just our website is currently down for now, so but you can
Facebook,
Facebook, Instagram, just search the letter Lepco.
And your phone number, you got
the
WhatsApp?
phone number is you got WhatsApp. You can call us. Our phone number is 076
076
297
297
3615.
3615.
Yes.
You know what? Because we still want to take pictures, so I think it's time for us to bounce. Thanks so much, Manzini, for coming through. All right. So Zomtola gigs on Kumana is available, and I'll make sure I advertise the bag as well. I'll take a picture, then I post it on my socials, and Umlaleli will do support and phone the number. Manga wuti mkhampis nkhohlwe number nis WhatsApp station nis inbox station. I'll make sure that I give you all the details that you might be looking for.